If your kids are getting bored with the same old lunch, try this sushi twist to a classic. I'm giving y'all some lunchbox inspiration today. First things first, welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed, and if you're new here, hey, stick around because today we're gonna do a fun, creative lunch idea for kids. It's super quick and easy to make, and so it's perfect for when your kids go back to school. This is called PB&J sushi rolls. Now, if your kids are anything like mine, they tend to get tired of something if they eat it a lot in the same way. So PB&J is one of the meals that I tend to switch up very often because it's just a classic staple meal. So instead of taking it off the menu completely, I'm just going to give it to you in a different way. So super simple to make. You just take some bread and you want to smush it down. I use a rolling pin to smush it as thin as I can so that I can roll them up a little tighter. And on half the bread slices, I did peanut butter first with some jelly on top. And then on the other half, I did peanut butter, a little drizzle of honey, and some banana slices. I also added strawberry slices to the PB&J because it's just a fun little addition, so it's not just a plain peanut butter and jelly roll. Once all the toppings are on the bread, you want to start tucking and rolling as tightly as you can without letting all the stuff smush out. I made a mess on this cutting board, but that's fine because you can always just clean it up. So yeah, you just roll each of them one by one, and then I used a fillet knife to cut them into little sushi rolls. I try to use very, very light pressure with this knife and not squeeze or smush the roll too much because that's when all the toppings started spilling out. And then you see the end result is this cute little roll, and you can see the little strawberry peeking out. Same with the banana peanut butter ones, you see a banana slice. And I think the fruit just really adds a nice visual appeal to the rolls for my kids. So cleaning as I go, I went ahead and sliced up the rest of them and I started to plate them. I put the rolls on each of my children's plates along with some extra fruit that I sliced and then like a yogurt tube on the side. They really, really loved it. And I just think it's a great, cute little meal to keep in rotation. So let me know something in the comments. Do you usually have to switch up the same classic foods for your kids, and how do you do it? Like, have you tried something like sushi rolls for PB&J? Or if you haven't, would you try this? I am always on the lookout for kids recipes, so if you want to see more videos like these, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you do not miss a video.